Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to make this so cute little parrot. You can hang it anywhere you like. So let's get started. I used these colors of yarn and this crochet hook. So the first I'm going to do is make a magic circle. I will take the yarn and wrap it around my fingers. I'll take my hook through the first yarn and grab the other, pull it through and make a loop, yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. A magic circle is done. I'm going to make 6 single crochets in the circle, so I will insert, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. This is my first single crochet. I'm going to need 5 more single crochet. Now I'm going to tighten up the magic circle. To end the first round, I will make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. To start the second round, I'll chain 1, and I'm going to make 2 single crochets in each stitch. So we will have 12 single crochets in the second round. To the end, I'll make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. To start the third round, chain 1, I'll make a single crochet in the first stitch and make 2 single crochets in the second stitch. A single crochet, 2 single crochets. Repeat this pattern 6 times. We'll have 18 single crochets total. To the end, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. To start the fourth round, chain 1 and make a single crochet in each stitch. So we will have 18 single crochets total, 2. From the 6th to 8th round, I will make a single crochet in each stitch. So we will have 21 single crochets total every round. To the end, make a slip stitch. To start the 9th round, I will change the color. Yarn over the new color, pull through a loop. Now I'm going to make a single crochet in each stitch for 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I will make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then I will cut off the front yarn. Repeat this pattern 3 times. We will have 24 single crochets total. From 10th to 11th round, I'll make a single crochet in each stitch, so we will have 24 single crochets, total 2. At the last single crochet in the 11th round, I will not finish it. This time I'll change the yarn in a traceless way. Take a new color, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Tight up the yarn. I'll make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Use the new yarn. From 12th to 18th round, I'll make a single crochet in each stitch. So we will have 24 single crochets total in every round. To end the 18th round, I will make a slip stitch. To start 19th round, chain 1, I will make a single crochet in each stitch for 2 times. Then I'll make single crochet 2 together, insert, pull up loop, insert, pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook. Repeat the pattern 6 times. So we will have 18 single crochets total. In the 20th round, I'm going to make a single crochet in the first stitch, then make single crochet 2 together. Repeat this pattern 6 times. We will have 12 single crochets total. Then I'm going to put some cotton inside the parrot's body. To end the 20th round, I'll make a slip stitch into the first stitch. Then chain 1. To start the 21st round, I'm going to make single crochet 2 together 6 times. So we'll have 6 single crochet total. To the end, make a slip stitch. Then I'll cut my yarn using a needle. Put it through the outside of each stitch. Then pull tight. The body of the parrot is completed. Now I'm going to make the parrot's wings. First, I'm going to make a knot. Then chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Then I'm going to make 4 double crochet into the first chain. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then I will chain 2. Turn over. I'll make a double crochet in the first stitch. Then make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. In next stage, I will make 2 double crochet. Then make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. The last, make 1 double crochet in the third chain. On this line, there are 2 chains and 7 double crochets. Then chain 2, turn over. Now I will make double crochet 2 together. In next stage, I will make 1 double crochet. Then I will make double crochet 3 together. Then chain 2, turn over. I will make double crochet 2 together. Then chain 1. Last, I will cut my yarn. The parrot wing is completed. You can use the same method to make the other wing. Here I'm going to make parrot tail. First, I'll make a magic circle. Then I'm going to make 6 single crochet in the circle. To end the first round, I'll make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 1. To start the second round, I will make a single crochet in each stitch. So we will have 6 single crochets total. To the end, I will make a slip stitch. Chain 1. To start the third round, I will make a single crochet in the first stitch. In the second stitch, I will make 2 single crochets. A single crochet, 2 single crochets. Repeat the pattern 3 times. So we will have 9 single crochets total. In the fourth round, I will make a single crochet in each stitch, so we will have 9 single crochets total. In the fifth round, I will make a single crochet in each stitch for 2 times. Then I will make 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Repeat the pattern 3 times. So we will have 12 single crochets total. The sixth round and the seventh round, we will make a single crochet in each stitch. So we will 12 single crochet. To the end, I will make a slip stitch, chain 1. Then I will cut my yarn. The parrot tail is completed. Now I'm going to make parrot beak. First, I will make a knot. Then I'm going to chain 4, 2, 3, and 4. Now I will make 4 double crochet into the first chain. Two, 3, and 4. Then chain 1. I will cut my yarn. The parrot beak is done. Now here we have parrot's body, beak, eyes, wings, and tail. We will use a needle to sew them together. That's okay. At last, I will use a needle to sew the parrot paw. Now here, this cute, lovely parrot is completed. I hope you enjoy my video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.